And if you approach your rental business like this, when a problem comes up, like let's say the tenant is giving you the input, you have your processes, how you handle business, and then you get an output you don't like. You say, okay, I'm gonna take that feedback. How do I change it next time this happens again? And let's say I get a different tenant, they give me the same input, but now I have a different process. It gives a better output. Oh, okay, that's good. And you keep just like iterating your business, trying to make it more and more efficient till one day it runs itself. Because I got this picture down here where it's like a futuristic house and a flying car and an ATM and a robot. I believe in the future, if we can, as landlords, hold on to our properties long enough, one day it will be super simple to be a landlord. I feel like the house will be like some automated technological advancement, I don't know, where people can come up, put their thumb on the door, or I don't know, scan their phone, and then the door unlocks, lets them in, and they live there as long as they need to. If something breaks, they talk to the house, hey Alexa, or hey Google, fix this. And then when they want to leave, they just walk out and they put their thumb or check out with their phone or something. And all we got to do is just kind of like maintain possession is the goal. At that point, hand it down. If you don't have kids, maybe give it to a charity. If you have enough cash flow to live your life, like what, there's no need to sell the property, I think, in my opinion. But that's just me. And like, it's kind of like Elon Musk getting to Mars. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do this. It's just, that's my goal is like, how do I make these rentals so efficient they pretty much run themselves, you know? It's a work in progress, to say the least, but that's my goal. And that's kind of how I approach my business. And I hope that together, working with each other, we can figure this out.